I'm Vijay, CEO of Surya's Fun Little Universe Academy. Our academy is affiliated with Lean Enterprise Builders, a management consulting company headquartered in Chicago, USA. Our company vision is to nourish the minds of our younger generation with high-quality digital information on life's essentials that are necessary in this time and age. We strive to achieve our vision through simple and visually pleasing storytelling methods that creates a long-lasting learning experience by teaming with content developers around the world. Our academy offers lively, interactive, and engaging workshops catered to students and young adults. The workshops are offered online and in person by our well-qualified and subject matter expert instructors. We host several contests through the year as we believe taking proficiency exams will help achieve higher retention rates of the learning content. Join us in this journey. Together, we can unlock the potential of our younger generation and transform them from good to great.